Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the ringtone in this device. For this, go to settings and tap on sounds and vibration. Scroll down, tap on ringtone. So here you can see the option classic themes and agomorphic themes. These are inbuilt ringtones. Okay, if you tap on the classic themes and you from here you can set any ringtone. So here you can see, here I select this one. Now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. Same this way you can set a ringtone from the agomorphic themes also. Tap on this one and from here you can select any ringtone. Okay, now you can see the ringtone is changed. So if you want to customize, that means if you want to set a ringtone that you downloaded to a device, tap on the option on this device and it will directly go to the file where you download your mp3 file, and from here you can easily select your ringtone. So here I am going to select this one. So here I select this one. Now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So simply in this way you can change or customize the ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.